I chose to come to SUNY Morrisville because of basketball and the academic side. Coming to SUNY Morrisville, I could do both basketball and be a part of the dairy program, whereas if I went to a different school, I might not have been able to have that balance that I have here. I come from a 40-cow tie stall in Geneva. My grandparents currently own the farm, and I own about probably 20 head in total. Some things I like about the dairy program are the involvement the professors have with us. Our professors ask us what we want to do and kind of teach us about what we want to learn about more than just, okay, here's the paperwork, we're going to learn this today. Here you go, let's go write it. Instead, we go out to farms and tour them. I'm definitely taking a lot of knowledge that I learned here back home. The facilities here are a lot different than my home farm. We're a 40-cow tie stall, so here I get the freestall experience. So they're like two different styles, and here they milk in a parlor, where at my house we milk in a stall. So it's a little bit different in that form, so I get both aspects of it. My ultimate career goal in the field is to go back home to the home farm and hopefully expand, get bigger, and maybe make some ice cream and bottle some milk. Some advice for someone thinking about coming to SUNY Morrisville is definitely do it. It's a great school, and if you have questions, there's always someone to ask and there's always an answer for you. Every day I definitely learn something new.